Welcome to Module 4. In Module 4, we will cover Chapters 10, 11, and 12. And Chapter 10 is about financial markets and allocating financial resources. If you're interested in investing, then you will enjoy this chapter. And then Chapter 11 is about marketing. You may be majoring in marketing, or you may own your own business and know the importance of marketing. So this chapter is all about marketing. Chapter 12 is going to be about product and promotion. The to-do list for Module 4 is to complete the proctored exam by November 16th, complete the Famous Entrepreneur video, read chapters 10 through 12 in the textbook, review the chapter notes for each chapter, and complete chapters 10 through 12 quizzes. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week.